How to buy products from TikTok.
First, pag may dumaan ganitong videos sa FYP mo and you like the product, you just simply click the yellow basket dyan sa arrow. As you can see, lalabas dyan yung product. Yes, tapos add to cart and then you choose your chosen variations. Ganon. Or, other options, pwede kang pumunta sa profile na affiliate marketer. Follow mo na rin. Just, pwede lang hindi. Nasa sa'yo yan. Tapos, punta ka dun sa shop. Yes, you can see the shop, yung parang may bag. Yun. Click mo yun, and then you can scroll through the products of that affiliate marketer. You can add the products there. Makakabili ka na ng mga affordable, mga magagandang product at makakatulong ka pa sa mga affiliate marketers. As you can see here also, another way to buy the product, click mo dito yung link. Yan, yung link na yan sa arrow. Tapos mapupunta ka dito sa mga products rin.